Hello, CS50. I'm Elvin Ismailov. This is my project demonstration video for CS50's introduction to programming with Python. So let's get started. So my main code lives in project.py. If I go ahead and run Python project.py, the program gonna ask me a few questions. So enter your city to get the weather condition. So I will type in Norman, the city where I live in, and how many days of future forecast would I like to see? So let's see for the next 7 days, and it returns. It needs to return a table of data from api.weatherapi.com. So here I used request library, and my base API is api.weatherapi.com, and the forecast mode is being selected. So here we saw a error message. It says no matching location found. Actually, I typed in Noran instead of Norman. So let's try it again. This is one of the functionality of my code. And for the sake of demonstration, let's enter some non-numeric value for the number of days. So again, I select Norman with the right spelling this time, and let's say I, by mistake, enter non-numeric days. So it will ask me to enter an integer and ask the same question again. Let's assume I enter negative number or 0. Each time it keeps me asking the same question. So let's type in 4 this time. Okay, the program has returned me a table of data where I can see the next 4 days weather forecast. So here on the first column we have days and then date, and we have a maximum, minimum, and average temperature in Celsius, wind speed in miles per hour, precipitation in millimeters, humidity percentage, and UV index. So the code checks for if the city is actually existing city, it's on the map, and the number of days are non-negative uh, non-negative integers, non-negative and non-zero integers. So let's try with the different city. Let's say Baku this time, and for 10 days, let's see how it works. Again, I got the data for 10 days of weather forecast for the Baku, and it works. So in the test underscore project.py, I have written some test functions to test my functions in project.py. So the first function tests the structure of forecast function. In the second test, I tested if it returns correct number of days. In the third one, I check if the table has given heading as intended. So let's go ahead and say pytest test underscore project dot py, and I hope it passes all the 3 tests. Yes, it passed. That was my project demonstration. Thank you very much.